In a grim facility known as survival jail, the struggle for food has transformed daily life into a brutal battleground. With supplies dwindling, inmates engage in fierce confrontations, driven by desperation and the instinct to survive. The atmosphere is electric with tension, as every mealtime becomes a high-stakes event. Inmates form alliances, creating fragile bonds to increase their chances of getting food, while others operate solo, willing to fight for their share. The scarcity of resources forces prisoners to resort to violence, as they grapple with hunger and the primal urge to feed themselves. Guards, overwhelmed and often outnumbered, can only intervene to a limited extent, leaving many inmates to fend for themselves in chaotic clashes over meals. The sounds of shouting and scuffling echo through the halls, a constant reminder of the harsh reality within these walls. Strategies emerge as some inmates learn to anticipate others' moves, devising cunning plans to secure food. This relentless cycle of conflict not only impacts physical health, but also erodes mental stability, as trust becomes a rare commodity and fear reigns supreme in survival jail, where every meal could be your last.